Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2018 Ram 3500 SLT Crew Cab. Under the hood we have a 6.7-liter i6 Cummins turbo diesel engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in bright white, looks great. Got the chrome accenting on the grille up front there with your halogen headlights, as well as you do have your chrome bumper down there with your tow hooks. And coming around the side here we do have our 18-inch rims with our Firestone brand tires. They look great. As well, you do have your heated exterior mirrors here with the turning signals on them. They are the tow mirrors, so they can fold up just like that, give you even more space to look. And coming all the way around to the back, we got a 6-foot box back here. We got the same chrome bumper back here with the parking sensors. You got your backup camera there as well. You can fold this down. Lots of room back here. Looks great, and you do have the box liner, so it won't be getting scratched on. Got our keys here, 2 pressed to unlock, 1 pressed to lock, and we got our panic button up there. Well, let's unlock and let's take a look on the inside. So on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks, as well as a chrome handle here. Handle here, some storage, and some more down here with a place for a water bottle. Looks great in here. The seats are very comfortable. The cloth is very nice. You do have the controls over the seats here, so backward and forward, as well as the tilt and the lumbar support there. And up here, we do have the controls over the lights, so our auto, our off, our daytime running lights, and our low beams, as well as our in-cabin light control here. And up here, you have the control over the turning signals, high beams, and windshield wipers. Okay, let's start her up here. Key in the ignition. And we're good to go. Now right in the center here we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. We also have our how many kilometers we have, which is 20,000, not very many at all. You also have your speedometer right in the middle, but we can switch that around to our vehicle info, fuel economy, trip A, trip B, trailer tow, your messages, screen setup, and you can turn the menu off if it was bright or distracting to you. Now that is control from right here with your Bluetooth options, horn in the center, and your cruise control options right there. And in the center we do have our touchscreen display, so it looks great. We do have our AM, our FM, and our Sirius XM all in there, as well as you have your media tab if you have one hooked up through your USB, aux cord, or Bluetooth. You got your phone options right here if you have one hooked up through Bluetooth, your compass, your settings, and your more right there. You also have your volume up and down with the mute, screen off, back button, and your tune room browser. And when you are in reverse, you have that ever useful backup camera, keeping you nice and safe. Down here, we do have the controls over our climate. So we have the power up and down with the circulation, the hazard lights. You also have your heat and AC. Then you do have where it's going to blow out with your defrost there. You have your trailer brake. You have your traction control, tow and haul mode, exhaust brake, and your park sensors. And right here we do have the control over the 2-wheel, the 4-wheel lock, and the 4-wheel low, as well as your neutral right there. A little bit of additional storage right in here. And over here we do have our cup holders with our armrest. It doubles as a storage container. Got some coin holders there. And then you do have a aux cord and 2 USB plugins right over there. Lift this guy up, and you do have some storage underneath there. Another seat underneath there. So it does seat 6 people altogether, and some storage just underneath there. And over here we do have our dual layer glove boxes, top layer and bottom layer with our owner's manual inside of it. And up top you do have the control over the little window in the back. Okay, let's take a look back here. Open this guy up. Same chrome accenting on the handle. You do have your control over your windows. Handle here, some storage here, and more down here. Looks great back here. Same material as the front, very comfortable. You can fold this down just like this, and you do have an armrest with some cup holders. You can also fold this up just like this, and you do have some storage just underneath there. As well, you can fold these down, and then you do have a flat surface to put stuff on top of. As well, you do have some additional storage just in there. And there's our 6.7-liter i6 Cummins turbo diesel engine. Well, that does it for my walk-around video of the 2018 Ram 3500 SLT. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.